Next, we will demonstrate the double buttonhole stitch. The double buttonhole stitch is divided into two parts. You need to embroider the upper part first, and then the lower part. You do not embroider the upper and lower parts at the same time. They must be stitched separately. We are using 4 strands of floss, color number 2. 2 connected buttonhole stitches form the double buttonhole stitch. Let's demonstrate it step by step. First, bring the needle out at the far right of the upper line. This line connects to the top, but is disconnected here. We start from here. This floss connects to the line below, so we will not stitch it yet. Okay, like this. Wrap the floss around the needle. Then pull the needle out. Skip the line below. And start from the next line. Bring the needle through again. Make sure to pull the floss to a relatively balanced state. At the end, insert the needle back into its original position and finish this line first. Next, we start a new line. Here, we are using 4 strands of floss, color number 3. If it becomes difficult to operate in this position, you can turn the embroidery hoop to a different direction and continue embroidering. Move the needle to the upper right position and bring it out. Pull the needle up from the first line below. Wrap it again. And insert the needle in the same position. With this, we have completed the double buttonhole stitch.